Today's a good day. We're going to be putting in a remote start on my 2014 JK. This will be exciting. Here we go. Yeah. Howdy, folks. Today, we're putting in a remote start on my JK 2014. Yeah, baby. Need a T25 Torx. Take this side off here. There's 3 bolts. Very good. Oh yeah. These little bastards. That's right. Okay. One there. One way up here. Come on, baby. Find the hole for me. There we go. I found her. You all knew I would. Sorry, little pinky lingo. These sons of bitches are much longer. I like them. Okay. Hell yeah. Almost there. Ooh. We dropped her. That's what I'm talking about. Now, peel the top off here. See? Comes off nicely. The bottom. Come on, baby. Do the hokey pokey. Yeah. She came off nicely. We'll just leave that attached right there. What we got to mess with is this guy right here. Okay. Let's get out our control box. That little guy. Just tear into the electrical. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, these are all color coded, seems to be. So we'll put red with red, white with white. There we go. Two prong. Baby now. 4 prong. There we go. This little black 4-pronger goes right here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I see. I messed up. It's this one. Okay. Yeah, baby. We in the hole now. Okay. That's what it should look like. Now, there's a little finger prong right here. You gotta pull off. Let's get a little tool here. My fingers are a little big. Oh yeah. There we go. She's coming out now, boys. We got her. Oh yeah. Snap into a Slim Jim. You know what I'm saying? All right, baby. Plug and play. That's what they say. I just may. Come on. Find the hole. You're on TV, doing things for the people. 2014 JK, remote start. There we go. Daddy's in the hole, baby. Okay. Now the job of tucking wires. Oh, look at that. It fell off nice and easy. Pumpkin peasy. All right. Now we just put it back together. Oh, I see. So, pull that, then it goes on. Probably should have pulled that piece first, but you know, we're men. We don't want to move things out of our way when we don't have to, when it ain't necessary. You know what I'm saying? That's right. Okay. Now that's in place. Lock that down. Put this back in. Remember, clean it off. Clean enough for me. All right. Sorry. I'm trying. Okay, that piece is back in place where it belongs. Nice. 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 Very nice. Okay. We got it. Now, if you remember, the long screws go on the outside in the designated hole. You'll find it. Don't you worry. I won't find it with you. But I'll find it myself. All right. Bring it on home. This is going to have no edits. Absolutely nothing but just me having fun and putting the auto start on the JK, baby. Yeah. We're even going to do a live on this edit. See if it works. Right off the bat, baby. Okay. We're back in business. Oh, yeah. All right, let's shut the door. Oh, sorry about that. We gotta... I must have did it wrong. I need to read on how to do it. What's the cycle? You know what I'm saying? Well, I guess I will have to stop this. So I gotta look online to see what the instructions say on what the button cycle is on how to start it. That's funny. Okay, folks, we're back. I had to put my hat on forwards to make this work right, all right? Okay, so you need to hold the button, plug in the black lead. You will see that it turns on and flashes some colors. When it turns all blue, release. Then you can plug everything back in as you would. And I'll go on ahead and do it right in front of you. Because that's how we do things around here. Okay? It's all nice and plugged in. Now we tuck this back in the corner. You know what I'm saying? Get it up out the way. Put on our cover. Plop, plop. All right. Now, Let's try this again. Okay. Oh, I'm dropping keys. How do I turn this around? All right, I don't know if I can, but let's go on ahead and try this cycle out. All right, I'm having some issues. Oh, there we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It should start now. All right, it didn't do it. Let's try round number 3. 1, 2, 3. Didn't do it. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's put in the key. Okay. Lock. 1, 2, 3. Look at that, baby. It does work. My damn ass was just not hitting the buttons right. That's okay, you know? Sometimes it's a learning in progress, and you got to learn today what not to do. Okay. Signing out. This is a 2014 JK auto start just with the factory key. See, no buttons, no labels, just pure fun. All right, over and out.